Hello and welcome to exercise 5 of the Hoops Communicator authoring training. In this exercise we're going to further build upon the scene that we've been working on in the previous exercises by adding a texture to one of our cubes. So the texture we're going to use is defined in a provided.h file, and in the comments of the code we indicate variable names that this header file defines that you can use for the texture data. So what we're going to do is create an image and insert it into our model. Then we're going to create a material and assign that image as a diffuse texture, and then we'll go ahead and add that material to one of the cubes. So let's jump on over to Visual Studio, and we're going to open the 5_texture.cpp file, and that's part of the Authoring Training 5 project. So much like the previous examples, we've provided sample code to create the cubes. So we're going to go ahead and scroll down to the main method. So we've annotated this method with some areas of code indicated by comments that you need to add your own code to. So go ahead and fill in the code under each of those comments, and when you've completed that, return to the video and we'll talk through the answer. Okay, so hopefully you've been able to solve this exercise, so we'll go ahead and talk through it. So as we mentioned in the intro, we provided a header file that has this texture data, and this header file defines gingerbread JPEG size and gingerbread JPEG for the size and the source data. So all we need to do is insert into the model the size and that source data along with a flag indicating that it is a JPEG image. From there, we go ahead and create a scStore texture object, and we use the image key that we got back from inserting that into our model, along with some flags that we've provided for you. Next, we go ahead and create a material, and we push our texture into the diffuse textures vector of that material. Next, we go ahead and insert that material into our model and get back the instance key. So scrolling down, we can see that we've created the code for you that's going to go ahead and create the assembly tree as well as the instances. Finally, we prepare the stream. So let's go ahead and take a look at what that ends up producing. So we'll go ahead and we'll build this example. We can see that we've created our 5 texture model, and we'll hop into the browser and go ahead and view our sample page with 5_texture model. And here we can see that our gingerbread man has been applied to one of the cubes.